guys, this is Jamie from Salon 809 and I am here to show you how you do a Dominican blowout from beginning to end. So you got to make sure you stay until the end because I'm also going to show you how you keep your blowout all week long or for 2 weeks depending how you do it. So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe, like, and make sure that you follow me everywhere. So it's Salon 809 on all social medias. Here we are in the process of the deep conditioner. This is very important for an amazing blowout, for your hair to be healthy and for your hair to be shiny. This is a very important step that we should not skip at all. This is an important thing that you guys have to do also. Make sure that you clean the head of your spray, and we use Eco Head, which actually takes all the hard water, take all the minerals off the water. You have to make sure that you clean it. That's something that we do. So when we finish our day on Sundays, we make sure and leave that clean. A good trick to a Dominican blowout is a good hair wash, and then you need a good detangling, and that's exactly what we're doing here. We use a deep conditioner, and now we're detangling the hair before we proceed to the roller set. So you have to stay tuned to watch the roller set. The way we're gonna do it, put it under the dryer, and then the amazing blowout that you're gonna see proceeding to this. Here we are using a very minimum amount of leave-in conditioner, and this is just for shine. And we are going to proceed to do the rollers. It is very important that when you do the rollers that the ends are very flat in the roller. And many people ask, why do we do rollers? What's the difference between rollers and a direct blowout? Well, it's less heat. Your hair also dry with more volume and more shine. When you have a direct blowout, the hair is more dull, it's more flat. And she's gonna be under the dryer for approximately half an hour. And the reason why is because her hair is not very long, and we are also using big rollers. We put a towel around her so the heat doesn't bother her, and this is a roller net. And this is right before you go under the dryer. So we can protect the hair, because usually the hair dryers can suck up your hair a little bit. I don't know if that's the right thing to say, but the air sometimes goes up. Now we proceed to put her on the hair dryer. And she's gonna be there for about half an hour. This is the part that we all hate, but the part that we all love at the same time, because this is how our hair get beautiful, shiny and bouncy and healthy. Here we are proceeding to remove the rollers before we do the blowout. Look how beautiful and shiny the hair is before the blowout. Right now we are blow drying all of the edges with the comb. That's a special technique that we have. And it's to get the roots really smooth, and that's the way you can get really close to the scalp. And as I told you before, we use no product. The only thing that we use is heat protectant. Here we are blow drying the hair with a round brush. As you can see, look how smooth and beautiful and shiny the hair is. We try to give the most heat on the new growth since she normally get her blowouts. There is nothing but a wash, deep conditioner, and a roller set, and then a good blow dry to have the perfect blowout. Make sure that you use your heat protectant all throughout the process, and I'll show you the end result in just a minute. So here, as you guys can see, we use the technique with the comb first, because the comb actually help you to get to those roots, to get really close. And as you can see, she's not even have the blow dryer there. So it's just a matter of a technique that you use so the hair can literally just go down. She doesn't blow dry the hair a ton because the hair is already dry. Here we go with the technique with the comb to keep it super straight, and then a little bit of blow dry on the hair, and we get those roots nice and straight. And we do this so the hair just can stay nice and shiny. If we would have done this with wet hair, she would have got more heat, and plus the hair is more susceptible to breakage when the hair is wet, okay? So it's better to dry the hair under the dryer with the rollers. It's your best choice. It seems like double heat, but it's not, because we barely blow dry your hair after it's all done. How you feeling, Kylie? Great, okay. Do you like your blowouts? How many times a week do you get it? Very good. Okay, so we're gonna wrap her hair, and guys, stay tuned so you can see how we do the wrap. And we use this tubby cap that is handmade in the Dominican Republic. So just wait and see. And now you can see her beautiful blowout from beginning to end. And now we're going to go ahead and wrap her hair. We put bobby pins so it can hold the hair. Since the hair is so fresh, it can fall. We are going to use the hair net. Let me see it, Kylie. And we have it in our salon. We sell it. I'll leave you the link below if you wish to buy it. But this is completely necessary for you to keep your blowout fresh for 1 to 2 weeks. I would say every week, but to each his own. If you want to wash your hair every 2 weeks, that's fine too. And right now, we literally just wrap the hair around. We use a bobby pin just to keep the hair in place, since the blowout is so fresh and the hair has so much flow. This you can do on your own, but we are doing it here. And then we're going to fix the hair. And we're gonna take the bobby pins out, and you definitely can sleep with this. You can do everything with this, and you just take it out in the morning and your hair will be nice and fresh. And this is the tubby, yay! Oh, how beautiful that looks. So she'll sleep with that, and we'll take it out in the morning before she go to school. Are you happy with the service today?
Yes.
I just finished showing you the entire process of how to get the perfect blowout. I show you all of the tips and all of the tricks that we do to get the perfect blowout, like this one on this beautiful young lady. And I also show you how you keep the blowout for a long time, and it's by keeping your hair in this hairnet. And actually, when I get home, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So make sure that you follow us, make sure that you subscribe, right? And we are on all social media. We are on Instagram, Salon 809, pretty simple. We are on TikTok, and we are on Facebook. Let me know what you think. And if you wanna come get your hair done at Salon 809, we are located in Maryland, Bowie, in Hyattsville. We are coming pretty soon to Waldorf. Thank you so much. Subscribe and like. Bye.